Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries. Isn't it just only stunning? This is a gorgeous Delphinium. This is Delphinium Morning Lights. Planted last year from a plant at this time of the year, this size here. Decent sized planting when we planted it, with that super tribe at the bottom, well compost and soil on top, and the same back and around. So Delphinium Morning Lights, we planted 1, 2, 3 of them in this area, and they're really shining out now and doing very well. We keep deadheading, we keep feeding, and they'll keep flowering for months. But it's important to feed all your perennial flowers, your roses, your hydrangeas from now every 4 to 6 weeks with Flower Max. Flower Max is the fertilizer to encourage your plants to produce lots and lots of flowers like we see on this fantastic Delphinium. So you need to feed your plants every 4 to 6 weeks from now with Flower Max. Flower Max has got all the major and minor nutrients you need, including magnesium to bring out the intensity of the flower colour. So it's very simply done. So in front of our stilbees here, every 4 to 6 weeks, front and back, we'll feed them. We're going to go back in now and feed the lovely Delphinium as well. So to get the most from your plants this year, feed with Flower Max every 4 to 6 weeks from now. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.